I got time for this. There's so much left to do, and yeah, it's just not in the cards for this old girl, but she'll be at Insurance Auto Auction soon, and maybe one of you will bid on it and put her back together.
Challenge accepted. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I got a short update video for you guys today. As you see, Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. I'm going to link the full video down below so you can see what this Pontiac Chieftain looked like before and after. Has basically almost restored this vehicle. The entire exterior of that car looks amazing. It's in one of my favorite Mopar colors, that plum crazy purple. And I'm tempted to bid on it. Even if I don't win it, I'm very tempted to bid on this car, and I'll tell you why. I was bidding on a previous car that Randy did have up, the BMW, but you know, it ended up going up to a certain point where I felt like it got too high, where I was like, yeah, it's not worth it for me. But this is a car, this old Pontiac Chieftain, which I don't see a downsize monetarily on this car. It's not like they make any more Pontiac Chieftains, okay? Like, they're not making any more of this car. It's in really good condition. I don't see any body rot anywhere, just a couple little dings and stuff I was able to see in that little short clip that you saw at the beginning here. And I think it could be good to have a classic car on the channel. You guys know we have the, you know, the new hero car here, the BMW G30 540M Sport. And we have the, well, I can't talk about that yet, can I? Actually, no, you guys probably already saw it in the giveaway video. We picked up an interesting Dodge Magnum. I'll say that. I was saving that for a different video because I know it's not published yet. I picked up an interesting, I already had a Dodge Magnum. We sold that one because it had its little issues or whatever. But we picked up another one. And boy, some of you guys have seen some of the outros and know exactly what we're talking about already. Y'all can spoil it in the comments if you want. But we picked up another Dodge Magnum, and that'll be coming up in another video. But we also are picking up the Z3 from Hubie's Garage out in Kansas. And I figured while I'm out there, you know, crap, why don't I bid on this? I know some of you guys are going to say, well, TK, you already got another car that you just bought. You know, you got a Dodge Charger RT that you picked up that you got to rebuild. And it is true. And that's being shipped to the house out here, so I don't have to worry about picking that up. But who would want to see the Pontiac Chieftain drive from Oklahoma City? You know, basically we'll take it to Tinker Air Force Base and go from Tinker Air Force Base to Fort Bragg straight through. Do you think it would make it? I think it would be some interesting content. And I think, you know, Randy's got almost $7 grand into this car, and I think well, the way the market is right now and it being close to Christmas, that the car's probably going to sell for around that, maybe even less, which I hate to see Randy lose money on a car, but it should sell for around that, maybe even less on IAA, and it's worth it to me to take a shot at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I already know how you guys think. You guys have been all over his Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds Instagram telling me to buy it. That's why I'm making today's video. And I'll take a shot at it. You know, I have and I'm not even going to say how much I'm willing to bid, because every time I do that, some of you guys just literally run my ass up. So I'm not going to tell you what I'm willing to bid on the car. All I can tell you is if I do bid on the car, and we do win the car for much less than Randy has into the car, obviously we're going to do something so that Randy can make up that revenue. But, yeah, let's see what happens, man. I'll go ahead and, I'll tell you what, because you guys asked, I'll go ahead and throw some bids on it. We'll see what happens. Make sure that you go over, and if you've never seen Randy's channel, I don't know how that's freaking possible. If you found my channel, most of his videos are recommended. So I would tell you, if you haven't found his channel yet, go over and subscribe to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Give a thumbs up and go check. Like I said, I linked his video in the description down below. So go check it out. Go see the car so you can see like when it got picked up. I don't know if he has a playlist for that car yet, But go check it out. You can go check out his channel, see what he picked it up, see how it looked, all that good stuff. And you can go follow him over on Instagram and TikTok. I want to give a major shout out and thank you to all of you guys in my YouTube family that have also been pushing us over on TikTok. We blew past 100,000 followers on TikTok, and we are growing like a friggin' weed here on YouTube. And that is only because of you guys. We are having our biggest revenue month ever here in November. I don't even know what's going to happen in December. It's absolutely bananas. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys for consistently pushing the channel and consistently pushing me. And yeah, I am excited to see what this Pontiac Chieftain is going to go for at IAA. And I think it would be cool to kind of keep it in our little YouTube community here, you know, that we have going on. And who knows, maybe I'll try to do something with Santa's Workshop or something on the interior if I win it, or something else, which is another channel you guys should go subscribe to. And maybe I need to hit Austin Car up on a brand new battery, another channel you should go subscribe to that's out there in that Oklahoma area. But anywho's, with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. You guys asked for it, I'm gonna do it. Let's see what it goes for. Whoopee!